In this video tutorial, I'd like to go through some of the options for changing a background image and adjusting some of the text in MyLife. This is our fictitious demo account, John Student, and John is really interested in trains and model railroads, and he has the Santa Fe locomotive set as his background image, but he also is interested in woodworking. So I'm going to change his train image to woodworking, and this is something that he had previously uploaded. If we wanted to find a different image for woodworking, we could do just a different search. A few choices come up here. We could do something with a chisel, and the new image appears as John's new background photo. If we wanted to make the image lighter or darker, this slider bar changes the image fade. And in this case, it might be nice to have white text instead of black, and so this is what the brighten text slider bar does. The further you slide it right, at a certain point it pops to white text. When you're happy with the transparency of the text color, you can click Done, and now John's background image has been changed.